Wow.
Alright.
What?
Start it off.
Yes.
Who's starting?
Changed it back. With the exception of one or two.
Wind up factor. Some tour guy.
Okay.
Activate factor.
I'll take first. Okay.
Exit.
Alright.
And when he special summon like a reveal shark, and special summon,
Right.
you know what shark does?
Right. Yeah.
Yep. Ouchies.
Touch. One more effect. Plus this effect. Activate factor.
So you take 2,100. You take 3,000 total. 500 from this, 1,600 from these, and 900 from the tokens that you're destroying. And then you focus on it.
I'll make sure effect make them 3.
Alright.
2.
That is nicely
Touch. Special summon right from
I don't. I know I would get screwed.
Obviously, guys, we got wind-ups on the left versus Inzektors on the right.
My synchrons.
Still first turn.
I mean,
Wind-ups doing a bunch of shit.
Really?
Put it bluntly.
reveal shark.
Alright.
Turn to defense.
I don't have.
Basically, I said all this stuff, and he hit me.
This shit is crazy.
So, that's good turn.
Black wings? Oh, black wings.
I think it's gonna split. Yep. That was great.
Wow.
Yeah.
How am I gonna beat that?
It's been a while since I've seen that card. Alright.
Drop off.
Oh, Dark World.
Man.
Okay.
That hurt. Some Armageddon Night effects. They torn it?
Well, I'll lock it up in space.
That's bad. Nothing special. Mass Dragon.
And I'll end.
Summon Magician. Activate to make him a 3.
Okay.
Fusion. You get a palm?
Yeah, it does take up more space. Although I didn't. Hold on.
Yark. Level 5 or higher.
That'd be a good one. Set.
guys.
Sack. Card. Thanks.
Yeah, a chance to get rid of them, but oh well. 2 down. Swing 15.
Sure. They just came out with chips and
11. Right. So that's 26.
Okay.
I forgot about factory.
Ready for top deck.
Destroy
yeah.
1.
What does factory do?
When I activate it, wind up with fate, like it's search.
And you're a 4,000.
Dragonfly. Activate effect. Hornet.
Because you guys
Destroy
destroy
this.
1 card next to him.
Card.
Dude, you need to go to
Let's make
10.
special summon.
Trying to drag it.
Centipede.
Oh, wait, I can cheat this dirt. That one.
Okay.
Almost screwed myself.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh.
I hate you, man. I wasn't much
Whip. Hornet. Centipede. And factory. Yeah, Inzektors from my deck to my hand. Dragonfly.
Ah, snap. What the heck? And then you send him back to nothing back to summon out that dragon orb.
Overlay. Demands. Go ahead.
Okay.
pushing it.
What's live at?
53. What the heck? Return.
Looks like it's 4,000 to 53.
Okay.
Yes.
Send two
That's
Dragonflies from a card to
Dragonfly.
level 8 Dragon type in my deck.
Hornet. Maze. Special summon.
Man, late timing.
Centipede. Hornet. Maze. Add.
Ooh, I shiny.
Go ahead and add. Did I pass it?
Alrighty. Game 2.
Oh, that's right. You discarded it earlier. Alright, I'll go ahead and add. What kind of deck?
This deck is
Gigamantis.
still yeah. Oh, this is actually my favorite. Yeah. Because I like being decided to play. Well, I got
I'm just gonna leave my deck as it is. Oh wait, no,
Activate
you
Gigamantis' effect. He can equip himself. So she has 24. Switch to attack. Attack Zinmains for 9. 9? Yeah. Zinmains 15.
I'm also
16,
trying to get like a Pokemon deck.
30.
4,000.
4,000.
You know, like for Galaxy eyes.
Go ahead.
Photons. You got a Galaxy eye? Yeah, I do. Alright, I'll start it. Okay, Summoner's Art.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got to be the blue eyes. Fusion. Know it.
Dragonfly will equip Hornet. Hornet. Destroy back row.
Defense. 3 face.
Special
Your
summon.
turn. Oh no! 2 Spirit Barriers.
Special summon Giga Weevil.
And the Transmigration Prophecy. The Mad King.
Did I just hear Giga Weevil?
Huh?
Did I just hear you running Giga Weevil?
Oh yeah.
Why?
It's amazing.
Why is it amazing?
Because it's so good. Okay. Centipede. Equip Hornet. He's level 6. Overlay. For Exabeetle.
Dude. It's like the ghetto Giga Mantis.
And then he...
Nice.
Let's see. Let me see your graveyard.
Then Joel.
I don't drink soda, so it don't matter.
Alright.
For magic. For magic.
I'll equip Leviathan to him. So he gains half of Leviathan's attack, so he's at 2,000.
Take that thing.
Attack 3, 18.
I think everybody. I think I know
You have 3 of those
everybody
things in there?
wants to win there.
Oh man.
You got it.
I knew something like
That's
that
game
would
one.
happen.